Orem County in southwestern Ohio, northwestern Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, southern Greene County, until 8:30 p.m. At 8:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Xenia, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Xenia, Waynesville, Jamestown, New Jasper, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Corwin, Bowersville, Port William, Pagersville, Bloomington, Middleton Corner, Mount Holly, Lumberton, Roxana, Oakland, Cedar Creek State Park, Kingman, Bell Center, and Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 68. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 45 and 61. The National